All right, welcome to the perfect track day tow pig, or tow pig for whatever you might need. This is a 2003 Ford Econoline E350 Super Duty. It's got a 7.3 turbo diesel. It used to be a van employed by Heineken. That's right, it was a Heineken fleet model. So I'm going to show you a couple things about it today. First off, just take a good look at it. It's all beautiful. We use it every day for towing parts and tires. If you get one of these, they're going to probably be really cheap. You can get them as cheap as $1,500 bucks, but they're going to need maintenance. This has 330,000 miles on it. We've had a lot of stuff done. Injectors, low pressure, high pressure oil pump put in it, up pipes, basically all the maintenance you would need to do to make this a reliable vehicle, and nothing to make it cosmetically better, because that's just the way we do it. So we'll go through a couple things here. First thing is headlights. You can get these bad boys on Amazon, and they're super bright. I'll show you real quick. Lady, show them the headlights. All right, that's low beam, and here's high beam. Whoa. All right, cool. So that's going to be the headlights. And believe it or not, those make a big difference because the factory headlamps are so dim, you can't see anything at night. With these, you can actually drive around and people will see you and you can see them. Teeth are optional. This is some optional teeth. We call it Mr. Ed. What else we got? Oh, okay, so tow mirrors. These are really important. I forgot where I bought these, but you can pull them out super wide and they're super easy to do. Come take a look here. Yeah, so these are super nice if you're towing really big trailers behind the van, which we do that, so we definitely needed these put on it. And let's go to the back. Okay, so back here, we just got a regular tow package. I want to say something about this. This van does not have a trailer brake controller. So we use a Bluetooth little thing that slots in here. You connect the trailer, and on an app on your phone, you got trailer brakes. So that's how we handle that. Also, we put in a Garmin GPS, and it has a backup camera right here. So that way you can back up and see where you're going. We've just done a lot of modifications to make sure it's daily drivable and it has modern standards, things like that. We'll open up the back. Nothing super special in here, it's just wide open. We take all kind of stuff to the racetrack and use it for hauling whatever. So it does have like the metal service door there, so if things slide forward, they don't knock you out.
That's good.
Yeah, that's great. It's important. You're driving. You can't be getting smashed on. Let's see what we got here. It's beautiful interior, immaculate condition. We're super impressed by this. This is how you have the air condition blows out this way. Or if you disconnect this, now the air will blow out here and you can clear the windshield. Works great in the wintertime when you need to put heat on the windshield or whatnot. We do have an Alpine stereo in here, a head unit, and some good speakers. And that way, you're happy when you're driving. You get to jam out to some music. All right, so let's do one last thing here. What we're gonna do is show you guys the tuner. We've got a Hydra Tuner on it, and the exhaust is stock. Everything on it is stock other than the tuner, and we've just done a bunch of maintenance to it. So let's take a look. All right, so I'll take you in here and show you the tuner. It's just this little doodad right there. Full force diesel. All right, so that's the tuner. And if you're wondering about the steering wheel, well, these don't come with cruise control, so I put this in here and did all the things to add cruise control to it. Let's give the camera back to the cameraman. Right now it doesn't work. I don't know why. We got to get in here. It used to work, and then it stopped working. We'll fire it up, show you the different tune settings. Any day now, glow plugs. All right, so starting out, this is just like the tow tune. It's cold right now, it's not really going to do anything crazy. Put it on tune 5, a little bit different.
And see, that's really why we did it. We just wanted to make lots of cool smoke.
All right, cool. So that's pretty much it. Wait, there's something else. No, that was it. I guess we'll talk about the wheels and tires. I'll put all the info that we've done to this thing in the video description, but these are just BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2s, and they are 265 75 16s KMC wheels. Everything else I think is stock. We just did shocks and bushings and new brake pads, rotors, all the cool stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But this thing works great. It can tow up to 10,000 pounds. That's what it's rated for. And we can tow pretty much 1-2 car trailers, no problem, short distances. So,
and we're putting an intercooler on it soon,
we
right?
are going to put a front mount intercooler and a few other things to make it a little more fun, like a differential, because there is some drag racing that happens from time to time around here and some grudge racing. So anyway, that's pretty much it. If you guys got questions, put them down in the comments. I'll try to answer them. And that's kind of a tour of the E350 tow pig. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.
I was recording. He has 2 phones. He can just hook them up to one of the shop phones and then film with this one and then send the audio. It's about that drag.